The internet isn't working, and the Wi-Fi signal is very weak today. The internet's down, and the Wi-Fi signal is super weak today. Please pass me the LED remote. Can you pass me the LED remote, please? Can you pass me the LED remote, please? The power has gone again. It's the third time today. The power's gone out again. This is the third time today. She has been washing clothes since morning. She has been washing clothes since morning. She's been doing the laundry since morning. She's been doing the laundry since morning. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, like and share now. They have been helping her with the chores for hours. They have been helping her with the chores for hours. They've been assisting her with the chores for hours. They've been assisting her with the chores for hours. Who left the kitchen tap running? Who left the kitchen tap running? Did someone forget to turn off the kitchen tap? Did someone forget to turn off the kitchen tap? Mother has been cooking food for the kids for 2 hours. Mother has been cooking food for the kids for 2 hours. Mom has been cooking for the kids for 2 hours. Mom has been cooking for the kids for 2 hours. The kids are busy eating food. The kids are busy eating food. The kids are busy eating. The kids are busy eating. She is dancing on her birthday. She's really good at it. She is dancing on her birthday. She's really good at it. She's dancing at her birthday party, and she's really good at it. She's dancing at her birthday party, and she's really good at it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, like and share now. She's so beautiful, she looks just like a fairy. She's so beautiful, she looks just like a fairy. Her beauty is so enchanting, she resembles a fairy. Her beauty is so enchanting, she resembles a fairy. She has been busy writing since 9 a.m. She has been busy writing since 9 a.m. She's been busy writing for the last hour. She's been busy writing for the last hour. She is driving herself to the party. She is driving herself to the party. She's driving to the party by herself. She's driving to the party by herself. She is offering a plate of red tomato at the party. She is offering a plate of red tomato at the party. She is serving tomatoes at the party. She is serving tomatoes at the party.